Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another STEM activity. Today I'm going to be doing a like a self-inflating balloon or glove. I have a glove here because I don't have any balloons. So all you're going to need for this is a cup, baking soda, let me tell this up a little bit. Cup, baking soda, white vinegar, and your glove or balloon. Now essentially this is just the baking soda and vinegar experiment that everybody knows how to do, except you're going to utilize it to inflate your balloon or your glove. So you're going to take your vinegar here and pour it into the cup, just like that. And then take some baking soda and pour it into the glove, just like this. Try not to spill here. There we go. Maybe a little bit more. Alright, that should do fine. And then lift it and hook it over the cup like that. Now when you do this, you're going to have to hold on to the glove because sometimes it'll burst off. So just simply lift it up, let it fall in, and the glove will inflate. There we are. So you hold it down or else it might explode. I made a little mess here, I'll get it cleaned up, but it inflates the glove.